Resting your brisket is gonna make all the difference. True or false? We've put it to the test. We smoked 3 briskets on our Bernard smoker, and once they build up a beautiful bark and hit the core temperature of 92 degrees Celsius, we wrapped them in butcher's paper and let them rest. One got rested for 3 hours, one for an hour, and the other one didn't rest at all. When I started slicing into these briskets, I found that they all were juicy, that they all had a beautiful crust, and that they basically all turned out really fantastic. And probably the main reason for that is that it's a really good quality brisket, and there wasn't a significant difference between the brisket. The only thing that really stood out is that the dry parts of the outside of the brisket were moister after an hour and after 3 hours. A small bonus was that the temperature on the 3-hour brisket dropped to around 60 degrees Celsius, which made it better to eat. And there you have it, the truth about resting your brisket. Eet smakelijk!